So, what are you doing? It is, let's see, 7:41. Sunday morning. It's been, what, 3 days, 4 days, something like that, since I blew out my wheel. Well, obviously I fixed my wheel. Well, got a new wheel. Because I'm riding on it. Morning. Sneaky water. Oof, God damn. Ooh. Nothing like sulfur. Wake you up in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. A couple of new bikes for some people, it looks like. So I ordered my two new 26s. And I ordered a set of spokes for them, or for that size wheel. But I didn't realize, and I should have, because I've ordered wheels before from them, but I didn't realize that I wasn't going to get liners, rim tape, until about 2 days after I ordered them. So what that meant was I wasn't going to have any rim tape for the 26s. I have rim tape for the 20s, but not the 26s. I have it for the 20s because I bought a pack of 4 and only used 2 when I swapped out my front tires. So I didn't have any rim tape. So I don't know, like day before yesterday, I ordered rim tape on Amazon, of course. But I'm not getting it till Wednesday. And I knew, because I asked to have it sent next day, that I would be getting it yesterday. I would be getting the rims yesterday, or wheels yesterday, and no rim tape, so that would be a problem. So I thought, oh, what the hell? What all I have to do is go to the local e-bike shop. They're really nice there, and I'll get some rim tape. 4-inch wide rim tape. I figured, 4-inch wide. That's what all the e-bikes are out, nowadays. So I'm sure they'll have it. But I figured, I'll call them. I'll call them and ask. So I called them and talked to the person, the girl behind the counter. She said they didn't have any. And she also said that it's really hard to get right now. And I said, okay, and I was kind of dismissing and hanging up, and she saved the call. She said, hold on. She said, and she didn't need to hold me on the call and tell me about anything else, but she did. And she told me, which I had already done. She told me that I could use some sort of thick tape, like duct tape or something like that, and in a pinch, and while I wait for my rim tape to come in. And or she said I could take the old stuff off the old rim, and I wasn't going to do that at all, but I went and after I talked to her, I went and attempted it. It was it was a fail, of course, because I gave up. It was too kind of brittle, not rubber plasticky anymore. So good morning. So I couldn't use that. So I didn't, and I went with the duct tape. I actually used some red duct tape that I found at Home Depot. So now one of my wheels looks like every other fat bike out there with the little red circles inside in the middle, and that drives me crazy. So as soon as I get my black ones in on Wednesday, I'm going to throw them on both the rear wheels and get the other wheel thrown on the left hand side swapped out so it doesn't click anymore, or click. Surprised I haven't heard it so far. So I'll have two brand new rear wheels and two brand new front wheels. That'll be nice. I got a full set of tires in yesterday. Not that I need them, but I do want to have backup for when I actually do need them, so I don't have to wait. That's the new theme. Not having to wait on stuff. So I'm going to order some stuff so I have extras. Because I hate having downtime. I absolutely hate it. So now I will have 2 new front wheels. You going? Come on. You can do it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, and the big mama. Oh, yeah. Nice and wet. So the theme is like a Boy Scout. Be prepared. I was a Boy Scout. I should have known that. I tried to be prepared, but I didn't realize what that really, truly meant. Now I do. Or I think I do anyway. So I've started all that in motion. Let's avoid the I don't even know if the glass is still over there, but you know what? Okay, it came off. Finally came off. Whatever it was that was trying to come off, it came off. It's right over here someplace. So, I'm going to stick this right here and figure out what it is that was trying to come off and making a little ding, 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 ding forever. What is it? What's this? Is this something? Oh, that's just something I hit. You know what? This is just something I hit. Yeah, right? Yeah, that was just something I hit. It wasn't the little ding, ding, ding. Sounded like it. Definitely sounded like it. Because I have a little ding, 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 ding. You know, there's always something, right? It's coming from this area right into here someplace. And it's driving me crazy. But, you know, whatever. There's always something. All right. All right, let's see. You in there right? Looks like it. All right, we can continue now. It was a fun little stop, wasn't it? Oh, yeah, there's the click, click. Yeah, the little ding, 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 ding is still there. There's some little piece of metal that's just loose. And it's driving me nuts. So, I'll figure it out one of these days. Tell you what it was. Should we do Starbucks this morning? Doesn't look very busy. Cigar face is gone, it looks like. I think we're a little bit late. $7:54. I think the cigar face has left the building, or the parking lot at least. God, it feels great to be back on Pepe. Man. I know it wasn't that long. It was only a couple days. And I did sneak in a ride last night. But it was just a quick one that, you know, just kind of hurry up because I just finished. And it wasn't, you know, I couldn't just let loose like I do on these rides. All right. There's the death lot. Here we are. There it is. There's my friend. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. I didn't know there was a throughway. Huh. She is checking out. Morning. Morning. She's a nice lady. She always says hi. Or most of the time, anyway. So I did a little bit of maintenance work, until the power went out in my garage and the whole outside of my house. I replaced the 3 spokes on my front tire. The one that I don't have on right now, but the one that I broke when the left-hand headset, the axle broke. My wheel fell off. That I replaced 3 spokes and I tensioned that whole side up to what the tension is supposed to be. And I know that I'm doing it very unorthodox, but I'm doing it the Gene way, like everything else I do. Good morning. I have it up in the truing stand, and I'll go back to it, tension the other side, and then go ahead and Alright, so anyway, I threw the 3 spokes on, tension one side, learned how to true a wheel again, and it really made sense this time. It totally resonated. I'm like, whoa, I get it. I think for the first time. I really kind of understand now how a wheel works. Which is pretty cool in my world. And now I understand the whatchamacallit, the chart, the laminated the laminated chart that comes with the Park Tool spoke tensioning tool. I understand that a lot better. That's pretty essential. So it's cool. It's for me, it's really, really, really cool because I'm able to understand that whole thing now. Slowly but surely, I'll get that all trued up, and I'll get the other one trued up. So I have 2 beautiful new front wheels, and then I'll do one of my rear, the one that I haven't taken off this one yet and replaced, the left one, because the right one, the one that I popped the 5 spokes through, is completely trashed. It's not even possible to recover that wheel because it not only just pulled through the spoke holes, but it also cracked the wheel. So again, I'm pretty amazed I was able to ride home. But yeah, it cracked the wheel in those spots right in the middle between the 2 spokes. So, and these are CSX wheels. which are extremely popular for recumbent trikes and quads. So I don't know. So what I plan on doing is taking that wheel apart, throwing away the rim and the spokes, and saving the one-sided hub, because that's all I have. I've got 4 one-sided hubs, and I can get whatever rims I need, but I can't just get whatever hubs I need. I have to get one-sided hubs, through axle one-sided hubs. So I'm saving that one so I can build a new one, a new wheel. And I thought about maybe even just getting a couple more hubs, maybe having a couple, extra hubs for each, so I can build new wheels for them. I don't know. I'll see if I get how real into it I get. We'll see. First, I got to get some electric in my garage. That was fun. These new set screws that I put underneath my boom, it feels like they are working a whole lot better than the old ones. So I'm very happy that I replaced those. I'll need to get another set, so 3 years down the line, if I need more, I'll have them. That's what I'm going for. I need... Oh yeah, nice wetness. I need parts storage for my quad. If I have parts storage, I'm a happy guy. Or when I have it. I think, is it Wednesday? I'm not sure. September 1st through something is when I'm getting a really nice rack for the shop. Sorry, buddy. Good morning.
Hey.
When that comes, I'll be able to see exactly what I have, because I'll take everything out of all the corners of my little garage shop and straighten it all out and make it a proper shop. That's kind of when I can, or after that, I can kind of show you, if you're interested at all, what I've done with the garage ever since I got rid of my son's childhood. That was all over the garage. And then I made it my e-bike shop. So yeah. I'll show you that. Anyway, I'm really, really, really happy that I got it. I get it. I understand the, whatever it is, geometry, what is it, of the wheel. I really understand the dynamics of the wheel. I get it. So I should be able to put some pretty cool wheels together with that knowledge. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, here's a big puddle. Oh, I got the man, this is just getting further and further, isn't it? I think I got the right parts. I get pissed off, so I just bought all the little kits. The different ones, like 3 of them, so they weren't expensive at all. They're like $10, $9, $8 each, but I wanted to have the right one. For the Shigura brakes. They're coming, still! Can you believe it? I've been kicking around left or right-handed, and I think I'm staying with left hand. I think that's the smart thing to do. Because I'm right-handed, so I really thought about that a lot. But I really am used to hitting the brake with my left now, so I think I'll be all right. All right, this stinky water's already off. Thank goodness. Dollar General, Mindy's favorite. My sister. Ooh, bunny rabbit. I don't think he was at the right angle for you to see. See, that's where it would be cool to have my 360 camera, so I could point it to it. He was cool. He was running alongside me for 3 seconds. Good morning. morning. She was sweaty. Oh, yeah. A lake. Oh. Oh, wow. We're in the red already? Jeez. What is it? 29 minutes. Wow. There are a whole lot of people over there. Yeah, obstacle right directly in the way. All right, this is where I am going to drop you guys off. I hope you have a great day. Let you get on with the stuff you've got to do, and I'll get on with the stuff I got to do. Which starts with another half-hour ride with music. So have a good day, guys.